Brian Cox on the number 4. Mr. Brown on the number 5. Todd Brewer on the 6. Wes Hicks on the number 7. James Lord will be on the number 8. Nathan Brown on the number 9. And Chili Duncan will be on the number 10. We're going to get James fixed up here. Marshall's looking good. Did you ever know that you're my hero? Bless you. Everything I wish I could be. We're back to Family Friday Off-Road for the next 2 weeks. Next Friday. Yep, next Friday and the Friday after that. 2 Fridays in a row. And yours truly is on the mic. So we'll get done at a reasonable time the next 2 weeks. All right. Drivers, we got 8 minutes. Marshals, pay attention. Ryan, you can pay attention over there? Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Max, put your phone away. Caught. Shake and bake of the tone. There we go, nice and easy over the hump. Good. Oh. Not too bad at the start. Everybody kind of in a row. A couple guys making up some early moves. Got a little lucky. Nate Sutherland and James Ham, 1 and 2. Then it's going to be Ryan will have a spot. Mitchell's going to be right behind him. Lowen's going to be behind him. West was a good start. Chili was up a few. Ruben King's the big loser at the start. He's way back there. But it's a long race. 8 minutes is a long time. There's Nathan and Todd. Todd had a rough start too. Oh, James Lund in some trouble. Gotta get him. Didn't you go wide? Thank you. Perfect. About the best you could have done there. No, don't be sorry. That's about the best you could have done. Nathan. James. Mitchell. Top 3. Ryan. West. Ruben King. Chad moving up. Moving on up to the east side. Actually, don't know the rest of that. The first couple lines. Starting to tighten up here for the lead. With James and Mitchell starting to catch up to Nathan just a little bit. Ryan Costin had his hands full with Chad Rubenking behind him. Whoa. That landing there, I've seen lots of cars grab some traction. Oh, your leader in the pipe. Get him. Good job. That's going to change up a little bit. It looks like James Ham to the front, Mitchell to the 2 spot. That brings Chad, Brian, and Wes back into the fold here. With his game on. Nathan had a little bit of a lead, gave it up on the corner. Now James Ham to the front. Nathan a little wonky right there, but holds on to it. Hard on the gas, trying to stay in front of Chad. Mitchell, you're a spring champs champ. Trying to get around James. Nathan. Now we've caught up to a little bit of lap traffic. Chili, you're going to be the next victim. Todd, you're going to have the 4th place behind you. Third place. Sorry, 3rd place. Mitchell, a little Wonky, here comes Ruben King. Gonna get up onto that podium. Thanks, Todd. Oh, Nathan saw an opening. Finds that same pipe though. You're going to come to the line, James Lowen now. That's James Ham in the kind of dark purple green. Speaking of purple and green, who's excited for the new Joker movie? I think it looks awesome. It's really not even part of the DC universe. It's just its own little thing. Leaders coming up quickly. Looks like just put a lap on West. West going to have second behind him and then third. And then Chili's got third in front of him. And then Nate Sutherland is in fourth. Mitchell gets in a little bit of trouble. There is Ruben King. Trouble for the leader on the straightaway. Nice. That is first, second, and third behind West Hicks and James Lowen. There's 1, 2, 3, and then fourth place won't be that far back. The bright yellow and white. It is tight goings here. Mitchell looking for a way around James. Almost had it. Can't push that truck over just a little bit though. James holding that line. 3 minutes left to go. Top 3 broken away a little bit from Nate. Nate's just kind of hanging out with his wing out in fourth. Ryan Cox kind of doing, Ryan's always hanging out with his wing out, so that really doesn't matter in fifth. Then it's Nate West, James, Trevor, and Todd. Battle up front, across the stripe. Ruben King with a terrible start back in this hunt. Nathan, leaders coming up quickly. Just set it down, Max. Set it down. Set it down. Don't worry about it. There you go. Watch your corner. And it is tight up front. 2 minutes to go. Still James, Mitchell, Chad. James has done a great job of holding these guys off for the last 6 minutes. Mitchell a little part of the inside. Did not lose the spot, but Ruben King's right there. Oh, Ruben King thought he had the inside, ran out of real estate. So that's going to open up a big gap. See if Mitchell can catch James Ham. We got a minute 25 to make one last push. Your leader down the straightaway. Second place down the straightaway. The side straight now.
One minute left.
1 minute left to go. $30 seconds. 2 more laps after this one. Mitchell has caught him. We're going to get one more after this one unless something weird happens. Oh no, James on the pipe. Can't hang on to it. Mitchell gets around. Oh man, he led for 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Nate and Chili, that's going to be your leader. Behind him. Oh, James going to cross the stripe, and he got super lucky because Chad Ruben King would have been right there. Chad's going to have to settle for third. Cross all you got, Mitchell got the extra lap. And there it is, top 3 inside, 4 pictures, top 3 inside, 4 pictures, and then jump out to Marshall as quickly as you can. Top 3 inside for pictures.